Look at number 5 from the integers test. Austin is watching a football game. His team loses 9 yards. I'm going to write that down. Minus 9 yards. Then gains 5 yards. So I'm going to write down plus 5. He doesn't watch the next play. So I'm going to have a kind of a box here. But afterwards, he sees that his team now has a total loss of 1 yard. So all of this equals -1. So we've got -9 plus 5 plus something equals -1. Well, let's combine these together and we get -4 plus something equals -1. Well, the thing that adds up to -1 is +3. So there was a gain of +3 yards on that third play. All right, let's take a look at number 6. Mount Everest is one of the highest elevations on Earth at 29,029 feet above sea level. The Dead Sea in Israel is the lowest elevation of exposed land on Earth at 1,388 feet below sea level. So that's -1,388. What is the difference between these two elevations? Okay, so we start off with positive. We're getting a difference. What's the difference between positive 29,029 feet minus negative 1,388. All right, well, we're subtracting a negative, so that's the same as adding a positive. So we could rewrite this as simply 29,029 plus the positive. So keep, change, 1,388, and then we just add them. 9 plus 8, that's 17, carry the 1. 2 plus 8 is 10, plus the 1, that's 11, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 9 plus 1 is 10, carry the 1. We have 30,417 feet of difference between these two elevations. We haven't said which one's higher, how much higher Mount Everest is, or how much below Mount Everest the Dead Sea is, so we are using an absolute value. It doesn't matter, positive or negative. It's just how far apart they are. Now, another way to think about this would be a vertical number line. And we've got Mount Everest at 29,029 up here, positive. And we've got the Dead Sea at -1,388. And what we're seeing is, how far apart are these two numbers? Well, somewhere around here is 0. So we go 29,029 feet to 0, and then we go another 1,388 feet. You may as well just add these two chunks, which is what we did, and we got 30,417 feet. I will write down the units because units are important. Otherwise, you might think that I am talking about badgers. So 30,417 feet for number 6 and a 3-yard gain for number 5.